Put it down.
No,
Put it down.
Sleepy was mad.
No, put
Where
it down.
Weasel went. Stay over there, sir.
Stop messing with him. He gonna mess with you
I'm going over
now.
there to mess with him. What you said, bro? Golly, Sleepy bigger than Weasel.
Well, I already named you them.
Can I get on? Hey, can I help? Get down. You messing me up, sir.
Chica, I'm not going over there.
Over
Snake's
where?
over there.
You got the little birds. Look at them.
Snakes are terrible. I don't like snakes. They can bite you. I don't like snakes. Horned snakes? Oh my god.
What's up, guys?
What?
How y'all doing
What's
today?
gonna happen if you adopt a
Look at my homeboy over there. Look at my sister and brother up there.
He looking right at me, too. He giving me the blank stare.
Hey, sir, wake up.
Little snakes? They're food.
Hey.
No, you got two other ones. Look, he said give it to me. Nigga looking right at you.
He call him naked.
That one looking at Jesse. Look at the little skinny one. Them.
You go look at the fishes.
Yes.
Okay, we can look at the fish.
I didn't come really. I don't like fish. The fishes in the.
I like fish. I wish they would come pick out this fish.
When we get fish, I'm going to get that.
Turtle.
When we get fish, I'm going to get the Spencer Scorpion's house.
Hey, Sammy and Jack. Samuel.
A boy or girl?
A boy. Then which one's a boy?
That's a boy. 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 That's a boy.
They're saying.
All of them look like the same boy.
Yeah, if they have a doctor. They're worse than McKinnon. They're worse than that.
Sleepy messing with Weezy now.
Oh my God.
Hi,
Sleep. He
Sleepy.
done woke you up.
Hey,
Scratch you.
Sleepy. Hey.
Stop knocking things on the floor. Oh my God.
Hi, Sleepy. He said, I'm trying to touch you. Trying to touch you. Hi.
Yeah, touch you or bite you.